Underneath the heavily updated skin is the same Genesis G90 that started out in life as the Hyundai Equus. The massively revised, full-size luxury sedan has much more interesting design than the model it replaces. The changes are pretty obvious, starting at the front where the diamond-shaped grille has been enlarged while the air vents at the bottom of the bumper are wide and almost meet in the middle. The 4-point headlights feature a strip that extends into the front fender, giving the G90 a special look. Even the hood has been changed by gaining 2 additional creases in the middle, starting at the bottom of the windscreen and ending at the Genesis wing emblem. Even more changes have occurred at the back, where the revised G90 has basically nothing in common with the model it replaces. Full-width taillights seem to be all the rage these days, so it doesn't come as a surprise that Genesis is embracing this trend by ditching the bland vertical clusters in the favor of new ones stretching from one corner to the other. The upper row of lights is narrower to make room on the trunk lid for a Genesis lettering, which comes to replace the company's badging. Rounding off the changes on the outside are the turn signals moved from side mirrors to the front fenders, along with an intricate design for the 19-inch alloy wheels and new exhaust finishers at the back. While the exterior has basically been overhauled, Genesis decided to largely carry over the interior. Nothing stands out compared to the outgoing G90. In regards to the powertrain, the KDM spec model is listed on the local website with some familiar trio engines, the 3.8-liter V6 and the 5.0-liter V8 naturally aspirated units and the twin-turbo 3.3-liter V6. We'll have to wait a bit more for a full release detailing the technical specs of the new Genesis G90.